Hi, I'm Tammy. So we're going to continue the simple drink mixes. Super easy to do at home, but you can dress them up and make them look like you spent a lot of time, right? We're going to make the one that they call hot-blooded. Here's the hot-blooded. We're going to put 2 ounces of, or I'm sorry, 1.5 ounces of this mixer in here. So, 1.5 ounces of the mixer. Then we're going to put 2 ounces of gin. So, because you know, that's the most important part, right? The alcohol. So, 2 ounces of gin. Use whatever gin you like. This gin just happens to be from a small little place in St. Augustine, Florida. Trying to celebrate our local vendors here. Then we're going to use a 1/2 ounce of some orange liqueur. Use again whatever you like. Trying to use this interesting bottle of liqueur here. I thought it was pretty cool. Tippers. Okay. And then the last thing is just some fresh lime juice. I am switching it up. I like key lime juice. So I'm using 1/2 ounce of key lime juice. It gives it an interesting flavor. Again, use what you like, right? All right. We are going to just give that a mix. And then we're going to top it with just an orange and a couple of cherries. And I might want to even add a little bit more ice to this just to give it a better appeal, but that is, get on there. That is it. That is what they call their hot-blooded. Now it's time to give it a try. So guys, you saw how easy this was with these pre-made mixers. I have to taste this because, you know, it's going to be delicious. So, yeah. It's really good. Guys, this is delicious. You make this for people at your house, they're going to think that you spent so much time making some imaginary or some great imaginary cocktail that you made up all on your own, when really it's a mixer, right? It's delicious. It's great. I'm not going to say like it's this wonderful, refreshing cocktail that you're going to sit out by your pool with. It's complex. It tastes like something you want to serve at a cocktail party. It's wonderful. Anyway, I hope you enjoy it. I hope you try it. And cheers.